Once the butter is melted, you add your peanut butter. Alright, once your peanut butter and butter are melted, you add your marshmallows. And this is where you turn your heat off at this point, because everything's nice and hot and it'll melt the marshmallows. Alright, once you add the cereal and you mix it all up, you can make a sheet pan or little mounds like that. Portion control on this side. Yes, you can portion control with that too, but you know. Now this is where you can get creative. You can put chocolate on top of these, chocolate swirls, or you can melt a little bit of peanut butter and drizzle that on top. You know, put sprinkles on top, whatever you want to do here. So, it's all up to you from here. But this is my recipe for peanut butter Rice Krispie treats. I will have this recipe on my blog, so if you're new to the channel, don't forget to follow, share, like, comment, because all of that helps. Alright? And I will see you in the next one.